If you don't like the life you're living, you have within you the ability to make a dramatic change. The end product of your life total depends on you and you alone. Someone told me we are going to be what we are going to be, and I said no, we are not going to be what we are going to be. We are going to be what we decide to be. Decisions make men. A quality life is built on a quality decision. Anything you want to do starts with an idea. It grows by trying, making mistakes and retrials. What is your decision about your life? Make a quality decision now. Life always gives us the opportunity to make a decision. I dare you to make a decision. I dare you this year to work on yourself. If you have a dream, don't just sit there. Get up and make something happen. I dare you to make a call concerning your dream. I dare you to write something concerning your dream. I dare you to Google something concerning your dream. I dare you to get someone hold you accountable. I dare you to spend time alone, setting new goals and thinking about your life. I dare you to learn while they party, awake while they are asleep. Prove them wrong. Just do something about your life. I dare you to confidently say no to negative people. I dare you not to waste time. I dare you to walk on your own path and do what your heart genuinely wants. God is somehow already know how you want your life to be. You have no reason just to live a life to please others. Don't allow anyone to kill your dream. Don't let anyone make you feel inferior, because those who truly love you do it unconditionally. Connect with new friends because you can go far together. When I was 11 years, I realized I didn't come from a rich family because my parents at most times could not provide what I want and most importantly what I need. Do you know how it feels not to get what you want as a child? If you do, you will understand why poverty is a terrible disease. As I grew up hence wiser, I realized that if I really wanted to be great, it was up to me and certainly me alone. Building your dreams from a poor background is not on a silver platter. Sometimes it can be frustrating, discouraging and difficult. But one thing is certain to those who keeping on, they will win. Whatever situation you are going through now, take heart. Someday it will make a lot of meaning to you and many. Remember this, it's not everyone that will believe in you. Albert Einstein's father died thinking Albert Einstein was a useless guy. Do your best. I'm telling you, only a few will appreciate it. Don't wait to be loved by everyone. It's a dangerous trait to live in your own life. Everyone wants to love you. Believe me, no matter how good you try to be. But there's only one person you can always depend on, yourself. No matter the family you are coming from, open your eyes with total determination to change something. So one day you will ask your children how it feels to come from a rich family. Make wild decisions to be successful in the long run. Don't just be content of being able to take care of your immediate family. There are many out there who need you. Care about your legacy. Being rich is not evil. Evil is when you have the opportunity to be happy and help others live a better life and you decline it. Money cannot buy everything, but poverty can't buy anything. Choose one. It's no longer news that poverty turns a man into a boy. It is only success that can turn your mockers into your workers. Work hard. The future is exciting. Ask yourself, am I happy with the life I am living right now? If you don't like the answer, start work. There's no best time than now. Get to work. Yesterday you said today. Last year you said this year. I dare you to set boundaries, more discipline and self-respect. It is only those who dare to fight for a great life have the chance to live a great life. Everything starts with your mind, what you think about what you want to do. You can't keep making plans you never do and promising yourself and never accomplish them. This year, make it a habit because you're a direct reflection of your daily routine. You are what you repeatedly do. Say no to unnecessary time waste on social media and trying to please others at all costs. Time is your greatest asset. Time is the currency of life because what you do with time is what life does with you. Believe in yourself, respect yourself. Leave tables where your respect is denied. People always get mad at you for no reason. They will have problem with you, but always remember it's their problem, not yours. Just be you. Do the things you are best at doing. You might not be the best, but always make sure you have tried your best. Make new friends, but always remember new friends takes time and require a repeated exposure. Get time and learn new things. Develop yourself. In our fast-changing economy, you need to reinvent yourself out of necessity. The unrelenting trends of artificial intelligence, rapid deployment of technology, business sectors getting disrupted almost overnight, globalization and other factors may irrevocably alter your profession. Notice that we are surrounded by change, and it's the one thing that has the most dramatic impact in our lives. There's no reason to avoid it because it will find you, challenge you and force you to reconsider how you live your life. And change can come into your life as a result of crisis, choices and chance. Change something about your life. Make it happen. Shock everyone.